Jeff Bezos, the quiet architect who rewired how the world works. Picture a world before one-click shopping, before overnight delivery, before warehouses the size of small cities pulsed with the rhythm of robots and barcode scanners. In the mid-1990s, the internet was a frontier without a map. Chaotic, slow, unpredictable. And into that uncertainty stepped Jeff Bezos, a former hedge fund analyst who saw something most people missed. The web wasn't a novelty. It was infrastructure waiting to be built. Amazon began as an online bookstore, but from the beginning, the ambition was bigger, the kind of bigger that rearranges entire economies. Momentum came fast. While traditional retailers stayed grounded in physical stores, Amazon turned inventory into code, logistics into algorithms, and convenience into a strategy so intense it began reshaping customer expectations worldwide. The company expanded into electronics, cloud storage, streaming, digital publishing, and smart devices, each move escalating the scale until Amazon wasn't a store, it was an ecosystem. Amazon Web Services became the backbone of the modern internet, powering startups, streaming platforms, banks, governments, and some of the world's largest companies through invisible servers humming inside data centers around the planet. But the story doesn't stop at Earth. As Amazon grew, Bezos began looking upward. Blue Origin, his aerospace company, pursued reusable rockets designed not for a single mission, but for a long future in space. Gradatum ferociter, step by step, ferociously, became the guiding principle, pushing toward a vision where millions of people might one day live and work beyond Earth. Combined with investments in artificial intelligence, robotics, and automation, Bezos's choices began shaping not only how we shop, but how humanity could explore and innovate in the decades ahead. And then comes the twist. The empire Bezos built isn't held together by a single product, service, or idea. It's held together by infrastructure, quiet, reliable, invisible systems that operate at a scale almost impossible to imagine. Amazon didn't change the world with flash. It changed the world with bandwidth, logistics, storage, and a relentless commitment to removing friction from the modern experience. And that's the final truth. Jeff Bezos didn't just build a company. He built a digital nervous system that the world now depends on, whether we notice it or not.